Hi Idealistas, this is your math lesson. So we're doing conversions this week, and I know that you guys are not confident with conversions, so I'm going to, this is the third time we're seeing it, so hopefully you guys, once I go over the steps for it, you'll start to remember it and it will start to come back to you. I'm going to just show you exactly what is in your Google Classroom in the quick reference notes and in the conversion instructions and reminders. Okay, so if you guys could go to your Google Classroom right now and open up you can pause the video and go open up your conversions and instruction sheet. And then also you need to open up your reference measurement quick reference sheet. Okay, so pause the video and go do those two things right now. Okay, once you get those both pulled up, I asked you, you need to read through them, but we are on the conversion instruction and reminders worksheet right now, and it says basic conversion rules. Conversion may seem complicated, but here's a trick that will help you convert any unit without any problem. And here's the basic rule, which we already know. If you're going from a larger unit to a smaller unit, what do? You have to multiply. Okay? Larger unit to smaller unit, multiply. Okay? And then when you're going from a smaller unit to a larger unit, you divide. Okay? That, if you remember those two things, this should be easy for you, okay? Because you're going to have your quick reference sheet up and you're going to know all the numbers that you need to use to help you multiply and divide. So now that we know, remember our two basic rules, we are going to scroll down on our conversion instructions and reminders, and it says measurement conversion strategy. Okay, step 1, write what you are looking for and what you have from the problem. So in this measurement conversion strategy example, it says I have 648 inches, and I want to know how many feet does that equal. Okay, 648 inches is how many feet? Well, that was the first step. Now write the second step. What do you know about inches and feet equivalencies? So what do you know about inches and feet? Well, I know that 1 foot equals 12 inches. Okay? I know that for a fact. Okay? 1 foot equals 12 inches. Now, it says determine how you will get the number that you are looking for. How are we going to get the number we're looking for? Well, let's look here. I'm going from inches to feet. Inches is a smaller unit, and we are looking for a larger unit. Smaller unit to a larger unit, what do? You divide. Okay? Divide. Now, I know that I have 648 inches, and I know that I'm going from smaller to larger, so I have to divide Now I need to know, okay, what am I dividing by? I'm dividing by the number of inches in 1 foot. So I have to divide by 12. Okay, so now we're going to come over to the side and we're going to do our division, okay? 648 divided by 12. 12 goes into 64. Oh, I should have brought my phone. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 48. 12 times 4 is 56. 12 times 5 is 6. I think it's 12 times 5. So let's do 12 times 5. That's 60. Yep, that's as close as I can get. So it's going to go in 5 times, and I get 60. And I bring down my 8. Okay. Now 12 goes into 48. Well, when I was counting, when I was doing 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. I'm going to subtract, and I get nothing left over. Therefore, I have no remainders. Let's just double check and make sure that's 48, because even though I'm pretty positive that it's 48, I still want to check my work just to make sure, okay? That's how you guys can avoid simple mistakes. I think that it's 12 times 4, but I want to double check and make sure. So I'm going to do 12 times 4. And it is 48. So now I can go back to my problem, and I can see that 648 inches equals 54 feet. Okay? Now I know that that was your example problem, so I am going to do you guys a favor, and I'm going to do one of your exit ticket questions for you, okay? Got 3 minutes left in this video, so I would take notes on this because this is coming straight off of your Monday math exit ticket, okay? So if you want to figure out, if you want to know what your next answer is going to be, or your answer for number 2, write this down, okay? Follow along with me. So question number 2 is, I want to do, what am I going to do? Where was my room at? Okay, let's just do it down here. Okay, I've got a little bit of space to work with right here. So I've got 1,792 cups, and I want to know how many gallons it equals. Okay, well, you know what? I don't have the best memory. I don't remember how many cups are in a gallon. So I'm going to go to my quick reference sheet. Okay, remember that quick reference sheet that I told you to pull up? So on my quick reference sheet, it says gallons to, what does it say here? Cups. 16 cups equals 1 gallon. Okay, I just looked right at my sheet. Okay, so 16 cups, that's what I need to know. I need to know that 16 cups equals 1 gallon. All right, so since there are 16 cups in a gallon, I know that cups are smaller and gallons are bigger. So I'm going from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. Smaller unit to a larger unit. What do I have to do? I have to divide, okay? I have to divide the number of cups that I have and the number of by the number of cups in 1 gallon. And that is going to give me how many gallons I have, okay? So, I've got some room right here. 1,000, let's see. 1,792 divided by 16. Okay, 16 goes into 17 once. Subtract that, and I get 19. 16 goes into 19 once, and I get 16. 19 minus 16 is 3. Bring this down. 32. How many times does 16 go into 2? 32. Well, 16 times 2 looks like it's 32 exactly. So, I'm not going to write on my wall, but 32 minus 32 is 0. So, how many cups is one, or how many gallons is 1,792 cups? It's 112 gallons. Okay? And I hope you guys, if you have any questions on this, please, please, please call me. I know that it's going to be hard. I know that you guys are going to find it a little bit difficult, or it's going to be hard to remember some of these steps. Oh, no. Yeah, I hope you were able to see it all. So, please email me, please call me, please say, hey, Mrs. Hunsaker, could you please work out number 8 on my exit ticket for Monday, or could you please work out number 3 for our exit ticket on Thursday? I'm just having some trouble with it. Okay, please let me help you. Okay, I'll be available for you. So, good luck. I hope that helped. Watch the YouTube videos too, because the YouTube videos are very helpful. Okay. See ya.